So guys, this is how to fix airplane bike problem. So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to head straight to your phone. Then you can find the app over here. So tap on the app, then you are going to see this pop up. Tap on application details. So as you can see, airplane bike transporter plan. So to fix this game problem, tap on force stop. Now tap on OK. Tap on notifications. Make sure the show notifications is toggled on. Now go back, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache. Then tap on the clear storage. Then after that, go back. Then tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Turn on the background data. Make sure it's toggled on because it's really important. After doing all this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store to check for the update of this app. So after updating the app, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while. And when you tap on your power button for some while, you are going to see this. Just turn on reboot and every problem is going to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.